These important terms are wavelength, frequency, wave number. First we will discuss wavelength. Wavelength, it is defined as it is distance between two adjacent crest or trough. It is distance. ये basically distance की unit है. Distance measurement के लिए हम wavelength use करते हैं. Wavelength is distance between two adjacent crest or trough. Now what is crest and what is trough? Say it is a wavelength. In this wavelength, this upper part, it is called crest, and this one portion it is called trough. Mean it's crest and this one is crest. This is crest, sorry, this one is trough. And according to definition of wavelength, wavelength is distance between two adjacent crest. Mean this one crest and this one crest. These are two adjacent crest. So wavelength is distance between two adjacent crest, or you can also define it relevant to the trough. These are two adjacent trough. So we can say that wavelength is distance between two adjacent trough. Trough or crest. Either both are correct because distance between adjacent crest and adjacent trough it is same. Wavelength here of light have same pattern. So whether you measure distance between two adjacent crest or two adjacent trough, it will be similar. Okay. So first start important terminology in our spectroscopic technique. It is distance between two adjacent crest or two adjacent trough. It is called wavelength. We represent wavelength by lambda. Lambda. It is represented by these terminologies. And units of wavelength, these are units of length. SI unit of wavelength is meter. Means as far as SI units are concerned, SI unit for the wavelength is meter, but generally wavelength is represented in nanometers. Mean instead of meters, wavelength is generally represented in the form of nanometer, and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised power 9 nanometers. Mean it is relationship between meters and nanometers. We can also represent it in micrometers as well, like this. Okay. Another unit is Armstrong as well. Armstrong is equal to 10 raised power 10 Armstrong. So these are different units which can be used for the wavelength representation. SI unit is meter, and most commonly used unit in spectroscopy it is nanometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised power 9 nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised power minus 9 meters. Okay, so this relationship of meter and nanometer. Meter is a big unit, it is a large unit. Nanometer, micrometer, Armstrong, these are small units. These can also be used. So trough. It is called wavelength. Then is second term. Second term is frequency. Frequency is number of waves passing through a point in unit time. Number of waves passing through a point in unit time or unit second. Unit of time is second, so number of waves passing through a point in 1 second, or we can say that number of waves passing through a point in unit time is called frequency. Means, so it is any point. From this point, waves are passing, and we are counting time. Say we start stopwatch and start counting waves. That how many waves are passing through this point in 1 second. Say 10 waves pass, we say frequency is 10. 20 pass, frequency is 20. So the number of waves which are passing through any point in unit time, in unit second. If wavelength of light is small, अगर आपके पास बेटा wavelength small, like this. These are two waves. It's one wave. Its wavelength is large. Lambda is large. It's another wave. Its wavelength is small. Lambda is small. So, if we pass these two waves from one point, from any one point, say from this point, these two waves pass, then number of these large waves which pass through this point, there will be less number of waves because these are large, so less number of waves will pass through this point. But when wavelength is small, means shorter wavelength, then through this point, many waves, many number of waves they can pass in unit time. Okay? So, if wavelength of light is small, frequency will be high, frequency will be large. If wavelength is large, frequency will be small. Okay? Mean frequency and wavelength, they have inverse relation. Inversely related frequency and wavelength. We represent frequency by mu. Mu is frequency and it is inversely related with wavelength. Means when wavelength increases, frequency decreases. When wavelength decreases, frequency increases. So there is inverse relation between frequency and wavelength. Mu is inversely related with lambda and mu is equal to C over lambda. Here C is constant, it is constant, and this constant is called speed of light in vacuum. The speed or velocity of light in vacuum. So C is constant value, it is speed or velocity of light in vacuum, and mu is equal to C over lambda. We represent frequency with the mu. Now as far as its units are concerned, units of frequency are hertz. SI units are hertz, capital H and small c, hertz. And another unit is cycle per second. These are equivalent units. Cycle per second is also used. Hertz is also used. SI unit is hertz. 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. Okay? So it is second terminology, frequency of light. Frequency, number of waves passing through any point in unit time or unit second. It is called frequency. Then third one terminology is wave number. We define wave number. It is number of waves per unit distance. Number of waves per unit distance. यूनिट डिस्टेंस में जितनी नंबर ऑफ वेव्स आ जाएगी हम उन्हें वेव नंबर कहेंगे. सिंपली डेफिनेशन ही प्रेजेंट कर रही है इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट वी विल काउंट नंबर ऑफ वेव्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन यूनिट डिस्टेंस. नाउ यूनिट डिस्टेंस इज मीटर, मीन we have to count number of waves which are present in 1 meter, but meter is a large unit, meter, and when we try to count number of waves in 1 meter, there are too many waves because wavelength is very short and in 1 meter too many number of waves are present. So to make it simple, to make it easy, mostly scientists use centimeter. Instead of meter, we count number of waves which are present in 1 centimeter. Centimeter is a small unit, and in 1 centimeter we count number of waves which are present, and it is called wave number. Okay? So generally unit of wave number is per centimeter. Per centimeter, because number of waves per unit distance. Per unit distance, so number of waves are 70, so it will be 70 waves per centimeter. एक centimeter में 70 waves आनी है, so its unit is per centimeter, which is commonly used unit is per centimeter, but main unit is per meter. The SI unit is per meter and commonly used unit is per centimeter. SI unit is per meter. Wave number. Wave number is represented by mu bar. Mu bar, wave number. And wave number is also inversely related with wave length. Mean when wavelength increases, wave number decreases. Because if large wave is present, the number of waves in unit distance will be less. Unit distance में थोड़ी waves आएंगी अगर वेवलेंथ लार्ज होगी. अगर वेवलेंथ स्मॉल होगी तो आपके पास उसी यूनिट डिस्टेंस में ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ वेव्स कॉल करेंगे, काउंट होगा. ठीक है. सो वेव नंबर का भी वेवलेंथ के साथ इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप है. जब वेवलेंथ इंक्रीज करती है तो वेव नंबर डिक्रीज करता है. सो इट इज आवर थर्ड टर्मिनोलॉजी, वेव number. So 3 important terms of light: wavelength, frequency, and wave number. Now come to the fourth one important term, energy of light. Energy of light. Represented by capital E. Light has energy, it gives energy, and energy of light E is equal to h nu. This is the relationship of energy with frequency. E is equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant. After name of Sir Max Planck, when renowned physician Sir Max Planck, after his name is called Planck's constant h, and value of Planck's constant is 6.025. Sorry, 1.6025. 1.6025 into 10 raised power minus 34 joule second. It Planck's constant H. Now, as you know, mu is equal to C over lambda. Since equation 1, mu is equal to C over lambda. It's equation 2. So we can put value of mu in equation 1. Then E is equal to HC over lambda. This is equation 3. Equation 3 for representation of energy, for calculation of energy. This is equation 3. Mean we can relate energy in this way as well. It can be used for the energy representation. Planck's constant is 6.625. 6.625. Planck's constant 6.625. 6.625 into 10 raised power minus 34 joule second. Its units are joule second is Planck's constant. So He is equal to now Hc over lambda. Here H is Planck's constant. It is constant value 6.625 into 10 raised power minus 34. C is also constant. C is velocity of light, and velocity of light is also constant. It is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. The value of velocity is also constant. It has constant values 3 into 10 raised power 8. Its exact value is 2.998 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Exact value of C, but generally we use 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Exactly is 2.998, but we can use 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. So this is another relationship of energy with wavelength. Similarly, this relationship can be used for wave number, because as we know, wave number is equal to 1 over lambda. Fourth one equation. So lambda can be replaced by wave number. E is equal to Hc mu bar. So it's relationship of energy with wave number. So these different equations, they show relationship of energy with frequency, relationship of energy with wavelength, wave number. Okay? So if you have any of this property of light, if you have frequency, with the help of frequency you can determine wave number. With the help of wave number, with the help of frequency you can determine wavelength. With the help of wavelength you can determine wave number, and with wave number you can determine energy. Now आपके पास इनमें से कोई एक भी वैल्यू हो तो आप बाकी सारी वैल्यूज डिटरमिन कर सकते हैं. Clear? So it is energy of light. You can calculate energy of light. Energy of light is generally expressed in joule. Means units are joule, represent energy in joules, but another unit is electron volts. Electron volt is also used. Electron volt is a small unit. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6022 into 10 raised power minus 19 joule. इसको आप जाउल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. ये स्मॉल यूनिट है बेटा, जाउल लार्ज यूनिट. ठीक है. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1.6022 into 10 raised power minus 19 joules. जब आप इस इक्वेशन से एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करते हो ना, अंदर आपने वेवलेंथ पुट की, बाकी वैल्यूज पुट की, तो जो आंसर आएगा वो जॉउल्स में, क्योंकि ऐसा यूनिट जॉउल. अगर आपने इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है, फिर आप ये रिलेशनशिप यूज करेंगे. इस रिलेशनशिप को यूज करके आप उसे इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में कन्वर्ट करें. ठीक है. इस चीज़ की हम अभी प्रैक्टिस भी करते हैं. कुछ छोटे छोटे एकदम न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे और फिर फर्दर आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे. से frequency of this light, wave number of this light, energy in joules, energy in electron volts. Let's get हम ये सारी चीजें कैलकुलेट करते हैं. You have wavelength lambda 500 nanometer. Now before starting, first convert it into SI unit, because in equations we put values in SI unit. Keep it in mind, keep remember, if you put values in SI units, your answer will be correct, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So first convert units in SI units. Nanometer is not SI unit is meter, and relationship of nanometer and meter we know. So it is 500 into 10 raised power minus 9 meter, because we know 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised power minus 9 meter. So we simply multiply 500 into 10 raised power minus 9, it will be converted into meters. Now we can use this to calculate. So let's calculate. E is equal to hc over lambda. Value of h is 6.625 into 10 raised power minus 34. Value of c is 3 into 10 raised power 8, and lambda is 500 into 10 raised power minus 9. Solve this and calculate value of energy. I have not calculated here, so you have to solve it by yourself. Solve it and calculate energy. It will give you answer in joules. Joules. Mean energy will be in joules. आपके पास joules में answer आएगा, ठीक है? Then to convert this joule into electron volt, आपने joules को इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट्स स्मॉल यूनिट है. मैंने आपको अभी रिलेशनशिप बताया, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1.6022 इंटू 10 रेज पावर माइनस 19 जॉल. ठीक है, से यहाँ हमारे पास आंसर आता है एन आंसर ए बी सी. इट इज ए बी सी joules. Now what to convert these joules into electron volt? It is large unit. To convert it into electron volt, you divide this value with this one. आपने इसको इस वैल्यू से डिवाइड कर दिया. मीन आपके पास एनर्जी है ए बी सी joules. Divide it with 1.6022 into 10 raised power minus 19. It will be converted into ABC electron volt. मीन आपके पास जो भी आंसर आएगा वो इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आपने अगर ये देखना हो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है या अगर इट इज राइट, तो जब भी आप जॉल से इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट में जाओगे, बड़ी यूनिट से आप छोटी में जा रहे हो, आपका आंसर बड़ा होना चाहिए. आंसर मस्ट बी लार्ज. अगर आपका आंसर यहाँ लार्ज आ रहा है, मीन आपने कन्वर्जन ठीक की. अगर स्मॉल आ रहा है, आपने कोई मिस्टेक की. ठीक है, आप इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट से जॉल में जाते हो, छोटी यूनिट से बड़ी में जाते हो, आपका आंसर छोटा हो जाता है. ठीक है, ये चीज़ रिमाइंड है. सो आपने एनर्जी कैलकुलेट कर ली इन जॉल्स, एनर्जी इन इलेक्ट्रॉन. देन वेव नंबर तो आपके पास सिंपल डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप है. ठीक है, मीन आप वेव नंबर के लिए डायरेक्ट यूज कर सकते हो रिलेशनशिप 1/λ1, लेकिन लैम्डा यहाँ पर मस्ट मीटर है. सिमिलरली म्यू इज इक्वल टू C/λ. आपने C की वैल्यू पुट करनी है और नीचे लैम्डा की वैल्यू पुट करनी है 500 into 10 raised power minus 9. आपके पास यहाँ फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाएगी हर्ट्ज. सो आपने इस तरह से कैलकुलेशंस करनी है. इस तरह से छोटे छोटे न्यूमेरिकल्स आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. मैं आपको एक दो और प्रॉब्लम्स भी देती हूँ सॉल्व करने के लिए. ये आपने सॉल्व किया, वेवलेंथ से आप चले, आपने एनर्जी कैलकुलेट की, फ्रीक्वेंसी कैलकुलेट. सिमिलरली आप रिवर्स भी आ सकते हो. से यू हैव अ लाइट विद एनर्जी 200 joules. 200 joules. Calculate wavelength. इसकी wavelength कैलकुलेट करें मीटर्स में भी नैनोमीटर. फ्रीक्वेंसी और वेव नंबर कैलकुलेट करें एंड कैलकुलेट एनर्जी इन इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. फिर ये आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए करना है, ठीक है. सिमिलरली आप एक दो और मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस के लिए ऐड कर सकते हो. मैं इसको भी मूव कर रही हूँ. से यू हैव अ लाइट with frequency 50 hertz. Calculate its wavelength, calculate its wave number, calculate its energy. इसकी एनर्जी कैलकुलेट, ठीक है. सो ये म्यूचुअल कन्वर्जन आपने करनी है, इनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इनमें अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आपने मुझे बताना है, हम इनको दोबारा डिस्कस करेंगे. सो दीज आर सम इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज यूज्ड इन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक टेक्निक्स. इनको आप अच्छी तरह स्टडी करें. नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह हम बेयर लैम्बर्ट लॉ स्टडी